What should you do if you have a CPAP that needs repaired? Go to cpap-repair.com and click on the Schedule Now button. Provide us with your name and contact information on the form. Make sure you give us your correct mailing address. This is where we will mail back your unit. The model and serial numbers are on your machine, usually on the back or bottom of the unit. Explain what your unit is doing wrong and click Submit. You'll see a list of how to package your unit. You can click the blue UPS link to find a UPS drop-off near you. To obtain a prepaid shipping label, click the Print Label link. You may get a security message and may need to turn off your pop-up blocker or tell it that you are not a robot. Then click the OK button. This will bring you to our UPS label page. Continue as a guest. Enter your contact information so UPS knows what area the package is coming from. Select if you want your unit sent to our Florida or Connecticut location. Your CPAP weighs about 7 pounds. Only put numbers in this box. Do not put in LBS or words. Then click Process Shipment to get the completed prepaid label to print. You will have also received this email to the email address you entered when completing the scheduled service form. It has the same information on how to package your unit as well as the links to find the UPS location and print your label. Tightly package your machine and make sure that there is no water in the water chamber. Bring it to a UPS ground drop-off location where they will give you a receipt of your tracking number. We will email you when we receive your unit. If your unit is not under warranty, we will evaluate it and send you a repair estimate, which will also include the cost of just return shipping. If your unit is under warranty, we will go ahead and repair it. Then we will email you to obtain the cost of return shipping. You will receive the tracking number for your package once it has been cleaned, repaired, and is on its way back to you. Do you still have a question? You can email us at info@altraservice.com or call us at 888-551-5267. Altra Service Professionals is here to serve you.